Hi, this is Sue from Savant Design. This is a quick tutorial on using a smart object to place your photo. Go ahead and double click on the smart object, which will open a new window. And then all you have to do is go to File, Place Linked, choose the photo that you'd like to place. Just adjust it so it fills the um, layer properly. Then go up and simply click on the X, save your changes, and it will put you back into your template. And then simply just move on to the next placement. And again, just adjust so your layer is, or your photo fits into the layer properly. Then click off and go through the process again, save your changes, and you can just go ahead and fill out the rest of your template. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.